Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to change which emoji set Gboard sends. First, update the app and make Gboard your active keyboard so settings apply. Once done, open the Gboard app from your app drawer or open any text field and tap the keyboard gear icon. Make sure you're in the main Gboard settings screen, not device settings. These steps unlock the emoji options. Now move directly into Preferences or Appearance to reveal the emoji style controls you need to change. Now you'll pick the emoji pack. In Gboard settings, tap Preferences or Appearance where emoji behavior lives. You'll see an emoji style selector or a U-system emoji toggle. Toggle to choose device emojis or the built-in Google emoji set. Select the option that matches the visual style you want. Once selected, Gboard will switch the emoji payload it sends, so recipients see the chosen style when possible. If you don't see the option, confirm the app is updated and finish by restarting the keyboard. Close the app, swipe it away, or reboot your phone to ensure the new emoji style is active. Test by sending emoji in Messages, Gmail, and a chat app to confirm the appearance. If emojis didn't change, clear Gboard cache or reinstall the app and repeat the settings step. If recipients still see a different look, remember emoji rendering can depend on the receiver's platform. You control what Gboard sends, not how other devices render it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.